So, you want to make cookies, but you don't know how. And instead of looking up Gordon Ramsay, you pick me, a nobody. Well, lucky for you, this nobody knows how to make cookies, and you'll never have to buy these again. Okay, but first things first, we're going to borrow a recipe from a website. And it calls for half cup unsalted butter, half cup white sugar, quarter cup brown sugar, 1 large egg, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/8 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking soda, and of course a cup of your choice of chocolate chips or peanut butter chips. You're also going to need 2 mixing bowls, parchment paper, and a baking sheet, of course. Okay, preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Then, using one of the mixing bowls, combine the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. And then mash them together. Keep mixing until it looks like this. Next, crack an egg, add the vanilla, and whisk vigorously. And I'll be honest, this is the only reason why I wanted to make this video. Anyway, using a separate mixing bowl, add the flour, salt, and baking soda, and mix them together.
Okay, real quick before we move on to the next step, I gotta show you something. Be sure you take the butter off of the stove when the oven is on. Yeah, it makes a mess. Butter melts!
Combine the flour, salt, and baking soda to the butter mix and whisk them together. At last, the chips. Pour your chips into the mixing bowl and mix them well. I chose peanut butter chips and chocolate chips for my cookies. Ooh, those look so good. Now it's time to bake the cookies. Get your cookie sheet and place parchment paper on top of it. Then, using a large spoon, scoop the cookie dough and start rolling it into a ball. Place each cookie dough about 1 inch apart and place it in the oven for about 10 minutes. One optional thing you can do is flatten the cookies just a little bit. You don't have to though. And now we wait. If you want to pass the time, you could play guitar. Watch something on TV.
Quit your crying, boy. I told you to be quiet, right? Jeez, what an asshole! Come for me, boy.
Play video games.
Yeah, get him!
Or anything else you like to do.
No!
After 9 or 10 minutes, pull the cookies out, let it cool for 10 minutes, and then it's done.
And that's how you make cookies.